sanguliko amazina olina kirira
Inamido.
no batolina
Inamido.
kabina nandani yoba mchina
Inamido.
so nobody judge no nobody judge
So rewind. Kalaini akasembyeyo.
kabina nandani yoba mchina
Kati akange kabakawa.
awo jatubulira nze nina ka London
Oh. Bane kansubire muli bulungi omulabi wa Spark TV kansubire wasibye bulungi gona ina business engero kujukiza nti numida je wetaaga kwata bukwasi simu ogende ku Google Play Store downloading app ya bosolo kubanga te wewola akasimbi business yo yetaaga kubanga te erimu store kubalime kubanga bakusekerera olime kubanga bakubbeyo jogendo kubanga wewoze sente wabula numida be abantu bokaboka bosolo kubanga obesiga okutambuza business yo okweyongerayo maaso nako rairo tuna mwana mwala Vinka atenga ekibuzo kyange kisooka kigenda kubeera ku kintu kyokola. Because I think you're one of the artists, betumanyi abatuka mangu. You're always like an hour early for your appointments. What is that one thing that can make you be late for anything you're going to do?
Maybe if a service provider is late, like makeup artists, over traffic. Traffic. I think at Bakolengu, the traffic.
Munji.
Yeah.
But can you count the number of times you've been late for something? I have a feeling
yeah, ntuka late sometimes. I'm human.
Hey. What is that one moment, Jogamba? I'm really so proud of myself. Nchimanyi ziri nyingi, ne waliwe you're just one. Jotunira career yokuva weyatandika nogamba. That moment, yes, I did it.
Yeah, in my career.
Yes.
Getting the Sony deal. Getting a Grammy consideration. I mean, nakati like enyimba zonna zenina and people love them.
Yeah.
Jenvudde wange man.
Waliwo akantu kosinga okwogera akaka Sony. Tetukategeera bulungi kwa omuntu ayinza ogamba ate kati songs ya msigning. Ate kati Sony ne msigning.
Yeah, I mean, when I say getting the Sony deal, to have an international record label recognize you. How many artists do you know here? Yeah. Bavudde mukuzalawa bakuzala ye. Like for me it's the story. It's not even bakuzala ye or she
from grass to grace.
Oh, but like there's people watching. So for me it's even about the story. Yeah.
Bichi besoko kola ntona magenda mu studio to prepare yourself for a studio session.
Prepare myself for a studio. What's that? Nothing really. Remember my in a studio session? Yeah. Then I read this CD. You know? Yeah, not to mess with my voice. Yeah.
Now that we're getting ready for your concert, bintu chiwe bade wesa zeko for the betterment or for the better of the concert.
Negativity. Saga negativity. Gobo limbulambu angoli negative vibes.
Onesonyiemu kana kaseera.
Katini. Nange nkwesonyiwamu.
Olina kalenda wake kubalira mpaka olunaku lwa concert.
Already. No sina kalenda, but already. Nkola countdown on my social media pages. Because nyimbo oluyimba every day, like ngezako kujukiza abantu enyimba zange. Every day. Naye olwenzukira bannange.
Ennaku zisembedde. Tekigatako pressure.
The pressure increases.
How are you dealing with the pressure?
I don't know what you call it. All I have to do is care about having a good show, like giving people a good show. Bija better sorted, but I have to deliver.
You have to deliver. Vinka the artist, Vinka the mother stroke wife, who is the funniest?
Who is the Vero?
Yeah. Vero your mama and your wife.
Nachinjova.
Do you have funny moments with your child? Like nemuda one museka for like an hour.
An hour? That's too long, but okay. Yeah, tubera one tuseka, abane mboze, abane bigambo byamanyi, like
Chino
yachijewa, kati alina wagamba simanya yagala butterfly shoelaces. No guys, you fold them, then kati wezibera out zibanga butterfly.
Oh, that thing that does like this.
No gabana. I know.
When it comes to homework, do you look at her questions and you're like, binonga sibijukira biso mako?
Not yet. Not yet.
They familiar. They are still familiar.
They're still familiar.
Walo wotuka no yambalanga tomboyish. Then to mama. I think that's the word you sing in the song.
Yeah.
To mama.
Yeah.
How do you differentiate when renyino kwambalanga tomboy or renyino kwambalanga to mama?
So onano monjaga nyengo is impemidembe, but it depends on the occasion. For example, when I'm going to schools, I'm gonna be that tomboyish.
Because we're talking about decent.
The cool chick. It's not about decency. Nzeyo and chindim like.
Yeah, to be the cool one.
Chindim like kwambala bwentyo. And then the tutu mama. I love being sexy, you know. Whether every time munga bijavayo ngoli sexy, you know. I don't even know when I decide when to wear what and what. Yeah, but when I decide to be funky, usually I'm gonna be a tomboy.
You're gonna be funky. No lie. Boy to read YouTube, seeing your videos performing, because I'm sure a record label you're signing, you're documenting your performances. What do you think? I look at
Vinka, I'm like, man, you're bad. Like, you're bad.
You're bad?
Yeah, because when I look at that person, like, I'm like, where did that in? Was that me?
How did I do that?
Yeah, because the usual, like, I'm shy, I'm all
and when you tell people that, they always think you're lying.
Yeah, exactly.
Shy, like, you to be shy.
Yeah, I know.
So how did you deal with shyness?
When I step on that stage, I'm looking over your head. Scully, one moment I'll catch someone and look at them. But usually when I look at people that I know, I get out of character. Yeah, you know? So I was telling my friend recently, stage.
Because everyone is fighting to have the front stage.
Yeah, because I don't want to get out of character. But Vinka on stage, very bold. In the videos also, bold. When those lights come on, the cameras go on. I don't know who that person is, but she's bad.
Okay. Waliwo nyimba zetuuliza wana Uganda. Is that one song you say, Kali Singalo nonze ya luwandika? Ngogamba nolimba singanze ya luwandika. I would be so proud to be the writer of this song.
Singanze ya luyimbo ba luwandika.
Which one would you prefer? Oduyimbo or duwandika? You write songs? Sometimes.
I think duyimba. I like co-writing.
Okay, yeah. Co-writing. Okay. Kacho duyimba, which one do you think you'd be like, olimba singanze ya luyimba?
There's a song that Rema released last year.
Rema Namakula? Start to Dance, remix.
No, it's not. It's just her.
The one with Dr. Dr.
It
Brain
was
wrote
just
for
her.
Was it like a vibe?
It was a sweet song, and I listened to it.
Okay, is there any international artist you want to collaborate with before you end your music career?
When is it ending?
It will end like
no, not end really, but Banji, oh my God, Davido, Tiwa Savage, her collabos.
Elite.
Yeah, Tiwa Savage. Banji, Tyler, Irasta.
What is one thing you've been telling artists buliwaja rehearsal now?
Buliwaja rehearsal?
Eh.
But then bagabanange, make sure you're coming on 21st of August. Make sure ogenda kuja 21st. Mbulira oba togenda bedawo oba you have a show, I'm ready to pay you. Tell me, is it money that you want? Like, but I need that moment with you on the stage.
I know it's not going to happen, but what would you do if it happened?
Amen, nothing.
You just
That's the funny thing. Life moves on.
Vasa solo zeimbida.
Actually, I think I'm going to prepare dummies. Let me let my team know. I should prepare a dummy, like omuntu
ngamanyi lyrics. Kati aluimba chiro solo kumpa. Kandabe which you have a song with ne vocals za mwenedda. Sajja kusobola. Don't consider me a dummy. I wanted to sacrifice myself as a dummy. Ne vocals nizo tukane bagamba Evelyn yayocheza. What is your best collaboration?
I love all my collabos.
Ongani na wanga sana kumaliriza. Okay, your best song.
No, I don't have it. I love all my songs.
Okay. Chachengendo kuza chili a bit personal.
Okay.
Bawa kuchuzinga mu nyimba zo okufuna mu alarm emuzukisa ku macha. Not favorite alarm emuzukisa ku macha amongst your songs.
Neche chibuzo tuina chibuza ye kuba, how do you ask me that?
Anti kacho yinzo gamba no luyimba mu nyimba zange luyinzo muzukisa because you know his sleeping behavior and pattern.
I really don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
What is one common comment you get from people every time you release a song?
Every time I release a song, common comment?
From your friends. Because when I say people, it's a general thing.
No, my friends, it's obvious. You know what friends are for. But you're hyping. What could be a tune?
What could be a tune?
Yeah.
Toy now, Mukwano Goya, Gamba Kone, Vinka, no Nedda.
Has the Kuanang is Sirina, Ludiwa.
Or a Nedda.
Maybe before, no, maybe before. But now, Mbulida, you got to love a test your little.
Ne just Rakola Kaimba Kawakola, Akalala. Akaimba kat first na oba nagamba basi katege nagendo okuzuku kakumacha nakaimba kalibulala.
That's a very beautiful,
very big song.
Very not big, beautiful. Era obate wakategela.
Mukwano wagana nokatula mu challenge ngo otambula.
No, see challenge. I need you to go home from here and listen. After recording that song,
olimba longamba nze kugambye nti no ndwagala
ati go asoka nokola, but
yes,
I listened to that song and I slept to it the day I recorded it. That's how sweet that song is. I just put it on repeat. Like, I'm like, what?
Before recording a nyimba ngezo, for example, if you said when you're listening to it, you slept. What do you be doing? Because walo mimba gamba mzo band recording and take a emotions or bankaba or bachi.
Do not go to a jacket studio. It was very like.
Should we say a romantic kind of song?
It is. It's lovely. It's sexy.
What was moving in your head when you were recording it?
Like just the same. Even besides that, like even nene sim na yagena na sister. Karate writer. My writer call oluyimba nalu voicinga. No gamba kati I have to kill it.
Yes. Ngomulabe yatiyasusiza nyo nateeka.
Chise chali okulalala.
Worst stage moments. Zoto banazo era Vinka tongamba you don't know.
Worst stage moment is when you know people that touch you inappropriately. I have many of those. Kati ezo.
Nego, did you think you would ever do what you did when someone touched you like that?
But things have been happening. It's just that they
were caught a camera.
But yeah, things have been happening. I just don't want the show to stop. The show never stops for anyone. Yes, the show never stops.
Now boy not disciplining.
Mumpola.
Chichi what we chitusubira kulunakura 21st August.
Panange kulunakura 21st August. Come and experience Vinka. You're gonna experience me, you guys. You've never experienced me for sure. Come and experience Vinka. Come and experience Skyview. Come and experience Bella Gandikanda Waraji. Not just drinking. They're gonna be Bana muje mangu.
Tukereko.
Mukereko.
Waliwo when nakola ka videos and when success. Nga tugamba tugenda nonya signature nga tusaba concert yo. What did you feel the time you saw someone demand for a concert? Ngevude from the fans, not even within like your team or Swangs Avenue. How did you feel? It gets me very emotional. It gets me very emotional. Like, oh my God. Like, people are really like, really? Do you mean it? Like, simanyi ngeri ya kuchinyonyola, honest. Nengo naye watu wako mulimu na nogamba banange na yo bampe concert. Oba naye wagamba God is timing. No, it just has to be the right timing, really. Like, ngokuze vocally, musically, bichibyo yagala. There are some things nga maybe Sandy we understand in Zemabegako, but now I know better, you know? Yeah. Okay. Who is your best friend mubayimbi?
My best friend?
Like I wouldn't say best friend, but bodwaga manti mubayimbi ono mukwano gwange.
No. I won't say that. I won't say like best friend or what, but what about baimbi that is it? But I relate with artists easily nadala benkoze nabo mainly benkoze nabo. I keep saying every artist benkoze naye, it's easy for me to relate with them, to talk to them easily nga sikalubizidwa naye abayimbi ba songs, of course, abo changunyo
family.
We are like family. We don't see each other like often. That's what people think. But
no, it's very hard to believe.
It's very hard to believe. Yeah. Winnie, Azawit, like Shegeda, Elijah.
Bumagenda ku trip jimali mugenzeko in Zanzibar. What is that one thing you discovered about yourself and your colleagues
About myself? Me, I'm alone.
You like being alone?
Yeah.
Chikuwasa nyungo oli awo limukasondo likusimu.
Like in my space. Like, yeah, sometimes I don't come talking too much. Sometimes I just want to be, No. Have you ever heard of a statement like, I like people that allow me to be quiet?
I know what you mean.
Yeah, exactly. Allow me to be
So that means we can't be friends, Bambi.
You talk too much?
Because when it's me and you, we are friends. Why are we not having a conversation?
Yeah, we can all
have a conversation for like 5 minutes and then
we can have a conversation and blah blah blah. No, it's like exactly.
Chintu chibafani bwe batakumanyiko.
Then I'm shy.
Negwe, I don't know how you're going to prove that. Because even when you're dancing and the confidence you have, I don't know how you're going to prove that.
Sometimes you'll notice if I'm like twerking, I twerk for a short bit and then I laugh.
Kati obo yagala kuchivaako ng'otubuzabuza nti kati oseka.
No, like I can't even twerk.
Oh yeah, you're shy. If you can't twerk, you're shy. Yeah, now I'm also shy.
Kati nyizo tandika nenfa. Kaba nange.
No seka. Biggest achievement so far?
Oh, so many.
Biggest?
Well, your biggest achievement?
Zenjirina.
Ziba
nyingi nyo ina Vinka, but there is that one jogamba mukama katonda. Thank you, Lord. Nzenji kusomere? Concert.
Oh my God. No, that too. But for me, it's just my career.
You really love your career?
My career, generally.
Yeah. You did hospitality, if I am not mistaken.
No.
University.
Hospitality, yali course unit.
Yali course unit. Under which
but
course?
But kumubzi, that's a
whole course.
That's a whole course, yeah.
Okay.
But at MOOC, it's Bachelor of Tourism. Yeah, it's a course unit.
So you did
I did
tourism.
Bachelor of Tourism.
Okay. So when you look at the things that are happening in the country right now, would you want to get involved in our tourism sector?
I mean, I feel like I'm the right person. Like I went to school for that. What, like UTB, like what?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
What don't you see? So what is that one thing would you do to add on the tourism sector?
I would love to show off Uganda using my platforms. Why not? Like, you know, game parks and all that.
I know people have asked you, oh, singa wacho imba, wandi baddo okola ki, oh, wandi baddo okola ki.
Nandi wandi nkola kunyonyi.
It's all you. Ahola Vinka ndeka. Wandi baddo okola kunyonyi.
I mean, but that's the reason I did tourism.
Kola munyonyi.
Yes.
Kati nsazo wengama muno ngena banku wa sente milioni 10 buli mwezi tugende tukole munyonyi ogenda.
Nida. No love.
Tokyayagala.
No, I'm on that stage.
Okay.
Chenalaba omulimu gwange ku nsi mukama gwe yantumukola
kuyimba.
Kubasanyusa nibo basanyusa.
Kituufu kubanga ovudde mu bintu bingi paka wagwa mu kuyimba.
Yes.
But every time I listen to your story, how you came to sing and where you came from, it was all good planned.
Like even when I danced, like did the folk songs in school, then I danced. After dancing, I became an artist manager. That's that God still found a way.
Anyway, 1 minute.
Even some teachers of mine thought I would do maybe MDD at campus or art.
Either
MDD or art.
God is good. Edashikemu yetusigaza tewera na wera kowola bannayuganda.
Bananga bannayuganda mwena mbesunze week eja ku Friday, next week Friday, muje mupagire Lugogo Cricket Oval. Gwatana gula ticket yo, go to the links in my bios on Instagram, TikTok, tap them, go to the Momo app. Ogule ticket yo banaye. One oboli wa Airtel. Ticket osobola gifuna okwo. Goboli safe border mwina apya safe border. Nera itawe bajja kulaga link ekutwala ogula ticket over. Dial *165*20# and grab your ticket.
All right, banaye muje mtuwagire tugenda kubeera Cricket Oval Lugogo, muje tujuze Lugogo era ngenda basikwano onako rairo nengero kujukiza gwe aina business downloadinga app ya Numida osobola kubanga ate wewola akasimbi. Musule bulungi ngenda bambala bonako